Oh hey, it's me Olive, your comic queen, and welcome back to my channel. It's almost Earth Day, you know what that means. It's time for an Earth Day makeup look. And since, you know, I thought I have a beard today, why not do some boy glam? That sounds like fun, right? Before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know the next time we make a brand new upload. And make sure you check out all my socials at The Olive Cock so you see more fun makeup looks and other stuff like that. All right, let's get into this look. So I already did my primer and everything off camera to save some time. You guys don't need to see that because, you know, you can't really see anything go on my face. So first I'm gonna start with some foundation. Taking that on a beauty blender and just gonna bounce that on the face. So who actually knows when Earth Day is that's watching? It's okay, you can be honest with me. You're amongst friends. This is a safe space. Yeah, it's actually on April 22nd, for those of you who don't know. And for those of you who smoke the devil's lettuce, it's 2 days after your favorite day, so that should be easy to follow. I'm not calling out anybody in particular. This look was originally going to be a Taurus look for the zodiac thing, which is also like an earth sign, so you know, they kind of go hand in hand. Why not kill two birds with one stone? But don't actually do that because PETA will come for you and it's a whole thing. You don't need that on your conscience. Although birds are like the worst. You hear that, Mother Earth? Like they always like follow you everywhere, act like they own honestly the entire planet. I in particular have had pretty terrible encounters with birds, which, you know, that's another story for another video. If you guys like to hear that, sound off below in the comment section. Right, now that we have the foundation all blended out, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. And for concealer, for boy glam, I don't go in as heavy. So I don't do the like whole triangle moment. I just go a little bit on the inner corner. If she wants to, you know, cooperate. There we go. Right, just right there and there. And let that sit for a little bit. And actually I'm gonna take a little bit of color corrector just on the back of my hand, tap it out a bit, and just place that right in the middle of that, just to color correct. And blend it out. All right, and I'm gonna set that concealer before it creases. All right, now that I have the face all set, I'm gonna dust off all the excess powder, just to get that off of it. We don't need it overly drying our face out. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with some bronzer just to warm up this face because it looks a little dead right now with just the foundation and stuff on it. So this look is gonna be inspired by Earth Day. So that means there's gonna be a lot of browns and greens, which we love on this channel. My moon sign is an earth sign, so we feel connected. I'm basically Mother Nature, in case you didn't know. And for boy glam, I tend to not contour as harshly as I do for drag, obviously. Because for drag, I'm trying to create a whole new person. This, I'm just enhancing my features that already exist. Which, honestly, I don't know why more boys don't do that. I don't know, who doesn't want to look their best? Just trying to shrink this massive forehead. Well, more so the sides. I don't have a really tall forehead, but she is rather wide. If I had a nickel for every time I heard that. I'd have one nickel. Bronzer on the tip of the nose. Right, nice and bronzed, a little bit around the chin. Gorgeous. See, I'm already looking better. We love that. Now I'm gonna slightly contour. Like smidge. Dust off the excess and just the furthest bits of the cheek bones. Please her. I mean, I got the cheekbones, why not show them off? How many of you caught my look last week? The Mortal Kombat cosplay, like katana look? Girl, it was so cute. I like lived my life. Like made me want to go out and get Mortal Kombat. I haven't played that in so long. Oh, but the movie looks so good. So excited for it to come out. Let me know if you guys want to see any more like cosplay, like makeup tutorials on this channel. Sound off in the comment section below. Today I almost did one as well. I almost did like Poison Ivy because she's kind of earthy. It's all green and stuff. But then I also thought I did like a whole like green glam thing on my channel. So let me know what you guys think. Or maybe there's another color or comic book person that you want to see. Right now I'm taking the bronzer on a dense brush and just slightly contouring my nose. Try to do this with a light hand. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some blush just to warm up the base and bring some life to this. Okay, now that I have the base all set, I can go in and start with these eyebrows. I'm gonna brush them out a little bit with a spoolie and then just go in and fill them in with a little bit of pomade. Now, luckily, these eyebrows used to be one, so I had a lot to work with. I have a decent shape going, so I'm just gonna follow the natural shape that I have. Okay, now that I have those eyebrows all filled in, I'm gonna set this face before it moves around anywhere, and just to get rid of this powdery look. Actually make this look like skin again. On the high points of the face, I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight, and then just going back over that with some blush just to marry everything together. Okay, I'm gonna go put a base on this eye just to save some time, and I will be right back. And I'm back with the base complete. Eyes are primed, and let's get into this. So first I'm gonna start with some bronzer and just place that in my crease. Okay, with a deeper brown and a denser brush, we're gonna go deeper into that crease. So I'm focusing most of the color on the outer third and then blending it into towards the center of the eye. Now for this look, I wanted it to be as wearable as possible. So that's why I decided not to get into drag and, you know, just embrace Mother Earth and, you know, its earthly creations. You know, maybe if you want to celebrate a few days before Earth Day, that's on you. Maybe celebrate, oh, I wish I was celebrating at Dolores Park. Hi, San Francisco. Now with the same brush and an even deeper brown, I'm just gonna deepen everything up. And with a fluffier brush, I'm gonna take that second brown shade and just blend it out. Now I'm taking the bronzer and blending that out as well. Just blending that into the nose contour. And I'm going back in with the deepest shade and just reapplying. Don't be afraid to take your time, if you have the time, you know. But the longer you take, the more you blend, the better the look. And with a smidgen of black, same brush, one tap, tap it off, and just place that right here. Okay, now go back, blur and buff. By that I mean go back to your next color, blur out this one, and buff it out. Gorgeous. Ooh, that's unfortunate. There's a little dry spot on my lid. Don't zoom in. That is a hate crime. We don't need that. There's enough of that going on in this world. So what we're gonna do is cut the crease right above that and pretend it's not there. You know, you'd figure I'd learn by now, but you know, it was time for that. And by time, I mean patience. What kind of shape do I want? Do I want a more rounded shape? We're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Okay, and then now that we have the crease all cut, trust me on this, we're gonna go with, I know it's gonna be gross, a green. We're gonna place that on the lid. And with the deeper green on the outside, I'm going to place that and marry the brown and the green. And towards the front, I'm gonna place a light, bright lime green. I thought that was gonna come out more lime. And then on the outside, I'm going to take the deepest brown again and blend that out. I'm taking the medium brown shade and blending that out. And when you're blending, try to be mindful of like the shape you want to go for. So like if I'm going for more lifted shape, I want to blend up more so than out, which is typically the shape I tend to go for. See, and then you can stop here if you want to go for an all matte look, but you know, I love a good sparkle every now and then. So I'm going to place some glitter and stuff on top of this to make it look cute. And I just took the shade All In from the NikkieTutorials palette, and just on each green, it gives a different effect. It's so cute. Now I could stop here, but I'm a glitter whore, so we're gonna do more. I'm gonna place some translucent powder under my eye just to catch any fallout. Now I'm just taking some glitter glue on the back of my hand, taking that on a flat brush, and placing that on my lid. And I'm taking a NYX glitter. It's like a white with like a green reflect. Same brush, placing that where I placed the glue. And once again, with a little dash of black, tap it off, place it. All right, I'm gonna go do my liner in the other eye off camera just to save some time, and I will be right back. Hello, hello, hello.
How's that?
Mother trucker. Anyway, as you can see, I'm back with the other eye all done. I did my liner, and then now let's fill in the lower lash, do some finishing touches, and finish off this look. So right now, I'm just taking a dense brush and the bronzer. We went into and just placing that under the eye and just smoking it out a little bit. And I decided to do bronzer with it because it is softer and I'm not trying to smoke this out like crazy. Okay, now I'm dipping into a deeper brown and just deepening it up just the slightest bit. The bronzer into the eye, gorgeous. And with an angled brush and the deepest brown, I'm just going to marry the lower lash line and the liner. But how many of y'all have seen Easy A? It's so fun. Emma Stone. Groundbreaking in there. Actually, fun story, I got my drag name from her character in that movie. Her character's name is Olive. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the movie, it's loosely based off of the Scarlet Letter, and she has like a moment where she's just exploring herself, I guess. She's just acting like she is, pretending. She's an actress, if you will. Ha! Ha! I'm acting. Sound off below if you know where that's from. Anyway, so her teacher in there. Just randomly while she's just like messing with someone. It's just like right behind her. She turns around with a spoon in her mouth and she's like stops. Then he's just like completely dry. Just no, it's like stone face, no emotion. Don't forget tomorrow's Earth Day. Anyway, so she pretends that she lost her virginity and then like everyone at the school goes crazy and rumors spread. Once again, spoiler alert if you haven't seen it. And for the blush, I'm using like a peachy color and mixing it with a little bit of orange. She asked me how to spell orange. Girl, look how fucking orange you look, girl. A little bit on the nose, the chin, a little bit on the jaw. Now a little mascara, and then some mascara on the lower lashes because your girl forgot to add that last time. I don't know if any of y'all clocked that. Thank you for not mentioning it, if you did. Alright, I'm gonna go apply my lashes off camera to save some time, and I will be right back with the finished look. this is the finished look, guys. This Earth Day 420 Taurus inspired makeup look is all finished. How do we feel about it? It's super wearable, cute, like a green lid, glitter if you want to have some fun. Oh, I live. And then like a brown lip, once again, still love a brown lip. Should I add a gloss? Let's get crazy. We're gonna add a gloss. Ooh. Just like a little something, why not? Ooh, there's something about like doing like boy glam or whatever. I live, like,
Does this help? Get additional things.
No, does it? Sound off below if this helps. All right, let me know how you feel about the look down below in the comment section. And if you like recreate this look, tag me in a picture. That'd be cute, right? Aw, that'd be fun. Ooh, I'm an influencer. Anyway, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag fun. All right, I gotta eat. Bye, y'all. Bye.